What's up, guys? And today we have the Tecno Spark 5, the Tecno Spark 5 Pro, and the Tecno Spark 5 Air. This phone is said to have so many exciting features. We can't wait to see it. But before this, please subscribe to this channel, give us a thumbs up, and leave your comment because you are the judge about this phone in the comment section below. Okay, we are going to review this phone based on these 7 things: the design, display, battery, storage, processor, camera, and last but not least, operating software. With the design, Tecno did a wonderful job by designing the phone in such a way that it looks different, with the front facing LED, the shifted selfie camera, and a lot more. I really love this phone. Moving on, in the box you will get a 10-watt charger, a headphone, and a headphone jack at the bottom of the phone. Now you know that most phones nowadays don't have headphone jack, so with this, Tecno have really nailed it. Going on, display and battery. 6.6 inches on the Tecno Spark 5 Pro, the same applies to the Spark 5, and 7 inches on the Tecno Spark 5 Air. Bigger screen means bigger game. For those who need bigger screen to do their work, it's really good. Moving on to the storage and the processor. The Tecno Spark 5 Pro has 64 gigabytes of storage, 4 gigabytes of RAM with SD card slot, quad-core processor, meaning 8 processors in the phone, making it super fast for your tasks. Now, the Spark 5 and then 5 Air has 32 gigabytes of storage, 2 gigabytes of RAM with SD card slot, quad-core processor, 4 processors in the phone, making it a low budget phone for you. You can go in for that. It's really good. Moving on to the camera and the operating software. The phone has 4 cameras set up at the back. The main camera being 13 megapixels, whilst the front facing one being 8 megapixels. Now, the phone also has AI intelligence. That means you can take great photos and videos with this phone. The phone also had Face ID, a fingerprint sensor at the back, and an LED light in front and also at the back. This makes the phone so great. The phone ran on Android 10 with all the Android 10 features. The 5 and the 5 Air also run on Android 9 with Android 10 features also added. Please do well to subscribe to my channel for more videos of this. Thank you.